Hello guys, welcome to Tech Geek. So today we'll be discussing another Leetcode problem, that's Leetcode Medium 583. Problem: delete operations for two strings. So this delete operation for two string is basically we need to count the number of deletions that are to be done on the two strings to make the two strings equal or the same. So that's basically an easy question and something that could be done with TP. So before beginning, I'd like to request you all to please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you want me to share any exclusive interview experience or any specific question of the lead code or any other platform, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you. Okay, so now let's have a look to the question. That is, you are given two strings, that's word 1 and word 2. You have to find the minimum number of steps required to make two strings equal and to make sure one step means deletion of exactly one character in either of the strings. You have been given two examples, that's see and eat. Okay, see and eat are the examples. So you can see SEA and EAT. So both of them are having EA as common. So if we delete S from here and T from here, then we'll get both the strings equal. Talking about this, okay, we have ETCO and Leetcode. So let's see ETCO, both, that's word 2 is a proper substring here. So the leftover characters of word 1, if we remove them, then obviously these two will be equal. So the number of characters to be deleted are 4. So that is how we'll make the strings equal. Before beginning, let's see this. I hope you guys are aware of LCS, that's longest common subsequence. If not, then I guess that too would work, but it's better if you know this, because if you are into this, then you must be having some knowledge of it. Okay, coming to this, now what I'll do, I'll take an 2D array that has the length number of rows as n plus 1 and m plus 1. Okay, so that is what basically we are doing right now. We'll compare. Now the very first thing is, for I equal to 0, that's double equal to, and j equals to 0. For the first row and first column, make it as 0. Okay, have that in mind. So that is the major thing that we need to do. Very first thing. After this is done, what has to be done is, we'll compare the elements now. We'll compare the elements. That's the first one. We'll iterate from I plus 1. Okay, to n plus 1, and j will also be from 1 to m plus 1. I hope this is clear with you all. So what we'll do, we'll be comparing the elements now. How we'll be comparing, let's say. S and E. We'll look here. Are they equal? No. If they are not equal, we'll take the maximum of these two. That's I minus 1 j and I j minus 1. Okay, so which is maximum? Obviously maximum is 0, so we'll have 0. Again coming here, E and E, are they equal? Yes. If it is equal, we'll take 1 plus the diagonal upward element. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again, A and E, are they equal? No. So we'll take these two. The maximum of these two is 1. Again coming here, S and A, are they equal? No. Maximum is again 0. E and A, are they equal? No. Maximum should be 1. Now come here. A and A, they are equal. Yes. So 1 plus diagonal upward element. So that should be 2. Coming to the third one, S and T, are they equal? No. Again, maximum of 0 and 0 is again 0. Then talking about E and T. Okay. E and T, are they equal? No. Maximum is again A and T. Are they equal? No. Maximum should of 2 and 1 is again 2. Now you can see, we in LCS this was the length of the maximum. That's the longest common subsequence. But here we are not required to find the longest common subsequence length. We need to find the number of deletions. So for this case, though the answer is matching, but answer is not this. So answer would be length of both strings, okay, minus 2 times this value, the last carry. Why? For both the strings we are having this length. We'll remove those characters and the remaining characters are the ones that are to be deleted. So I hope this is clear. If in case you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment. Let's look to the code too. So our code is just a simple one. First we'll initialize by 0. We'll compare the elements. If they are equal, then 1 plus the diagonal elements. If not, take the maximum of I minus 1j and ij minus 1 and return n plus m minus 2. I hope this is clear. If in case you have any queries, any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. And before that, I request you to please keep following Tech Geek. Thank you.